आज जिस दौर से हम गुजर रहे हैं वह अवश्य ही मुश्किलों से भरा हुआ है, मगर इस तूफान में भी एक आशा की किरण जरूर दिखाई दे रही है। अति शीघ्र हम इन पहाड़ों में से एक राह निकाल ही लेंगे। अवश्य ही हम अपने सुंदर सुखमय वक्त को पालेंगे। हमारी चहक और महक, हमारे स्कूल के सुनहरे दिन फिर लौट आएंगे। अब दूर नहीं, अब दूर नहीं, अब दूर नहीं।
A very good morning to one and all. I, Sandhya Nair, Cultural Coordinator of Saint Kabir School, Narayanpura, on behalf of our school, heartily welcome you all to this occasion of the investiture ceremony. The outbreak of COVID-19 has made us embrace a new way of life, a new way of doing things, where we all have come together in virtual mode for this beautiful and dignified investiture ceremony. The investiture ceremony is one of the most momentous occasions of the school, where the newly elected members of the student council are officially assigned with their powers and positions. We at Saint Kabir groom future leaders.
And for this, we go the democratic way. The deserving and the willing contestants connect with all the students by delivering speeches in the assembly. Elections are conducted by the school, and that is how the students are elected for the different posts. This year, we administered the election assembly as well as the voting procedure online.
सपनों का बादल तुझे बुलाए, जीने की ख्वाहिश को ये झुलाए। तेरा हर कदम जो तेरा हर कदम जो खुददारी का हो, ऐसे में ये सफर सोने पे सुहागा हो। सपनों का बादल तुझे बुलाए, जीने की ख्वाहिश को ये झुलाए। है अगर रास्ता तू फिक्र ना कर, कठिन है अगर रास्ता तू फिक्र ना कर। उड़ने की कोशिश में निकल आएंगे पर, खुली आंखों से देख तू सपना, खुली आंखों से देख तू सपना। सर उठा के जी
To our school, Saint Kabir, to our school, illustrious school we love. We'll be true to our school. God bless staff and students of the school. Here we experience golden years and study without any fear.
Today, on this oath-taking ceremony, I welcome you all and hope that you perform your duties with diligence, sincerity, and patience and tolerance.
We hereby pledge
We hereby pledge
to always be aware of
to always be aware of
having been nominated
having been
nominated
by our respected teachers
by our respected
by a
teachers
respected teacher
with faith in our potential
with faith
with
in our
faith in our
potential
potential
to lead as
to lead
to lead as
models of our schoolmates.
models of
models of our
our
schoolmates.
Pledge to never be driven by
We pledge to be driven by
prejudice or favoritism
prejudice and favoritism
while competing in any house contest
while competing in any house contest
and always keep up the spirit
and always the spirit
of sportsmanship and fair play.
of sportsmanship and fair play.
Lastly, we pledge
Lastly, we pledge
our loyalty to our house
our loyalty to our house
and its members
and its members
and promise to relentlessly and vigorously
and promise to relentlessly and vigorously
strive to bring glory to our house.
strive to bring glory to our house.
Responsible, that's me and you. I follow through what I say I'm gonna do. Dependable, that's who we are. If we give up, don't show up, we won't get too far. Everyone counts on you to be there. Everyone counts on you to be responsible. If we follow through, to be true, it's remarkable. We work hard, do our part, all responsible. Oh, 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 oh. That's what's called responsible. Count on me, do what I say I'll do. I'll give my best every day so that I can prove. Together I believe it's up to me and you. Oh, 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 oh. That's what's called responsible. Oh, oh, oh. We can be responsible.
Students, I congratulate you, the Students' Council leaders, for having been elected for the year 2020-21. Remember, your badges come with a lot of responsibility. I wish you to have a perfect sense of discipline, dutifulness, and fair play while you help conduct various activities and competitions online during this pandemic year. I'm sure you will take it up as a challenge and will come out with flying colors. Always remember, to accomplish great things, we must dream, visualize, plan, believe, and then act. I trust that wherever you go and whatever you do reflects the conduct and values of a true Kabirian. Wishing you all the best for your tenure. May you take the Saint Kabir flag to greater heights. My blessings to you all.
Greetings everyone and my dear Kabirians. Thank you Rashmi ma'am for fostering a culture that is intrinsically unique and accepting. Thank you heads and teachers for molding me and so many others into who we are today. Representing the school is not a personal achievement but a humble privilege. Though this pandemic year might be a little different, but we all are the same. The entire council is now just a phone call away. We, your council for this year, are happy to help. We are here to remind you that you belong here. At last, I want to remind you that even though I have a shiny new badge now and the same old Krishi, I am forever approachable. I promise to take on this task wholeheartedly. Now I am eternally grateful to offer a new intro for myself. Greetings. My name is Krishi Patel and I am the head girl of St. Kabir School, Naranpura. Thank you very much.
Your karma is to be rightful, dutiful, and honest towards the school, the teachers, the fellow students, and most importantly, to yourselves.
ये आत्मा मेरी तेरी, ये जन्म और मृत्यु सभी, क्या सूर्य और क्या ये समय चक्र से ही सब चली। तेरे वश में बस तेरा काम है, बस कर्म पर अधिकार है, कर्म में ही तेरी शान है, कर्म तेरी पहचान है, बस कर्म। चल छोड़ मन की कमजोरियां, रिश्तों की मजबूरियां, जीवन संघर्ष से बचना ही क्या, जीवन संघर्ष से बचना ही क्या। तेरे वश में बस तेरा काम है, बस कर्म पर अधिकार है, कर्म में ही तेरी शान है, कर्म तेरी पहचान है। चल छोड़ मन की कमजोरियां, रिश्तों की मजबूरियां, जीवन संघर्ष से बचना ही क्या, जीवन संघर्ष से बचना ही क्या, जीवन संघर्ष से बचना ही क्या।
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे, सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हमारा ऐसे दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी, कि जिंदगी
With the meticulous grooming at St. Kabir School, the Kabirians are able to successfully perform their karma, that is, spread the light.